Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm going to show you my personal assistants which I created using ChatGPT, just like Jarvis in Iron Man. Okay, so I'm going to start now. So this is the project actually. So right click on this project, show more options, click on that. In Windows 11, you can able to find open folder as PyCharm Community Edition project. Just click on that. It opens like this. So I used Python 3.11. So in this, the packages I used are, you can see here packages, 8 packages I used in this project. Okay. So these are the eight packages we need to use to run this project. Okay. Right click on display. First, we need to open this display. It opens in the browser. So in this, we will use OpenAI API key. So here you can find the 3 different API keys we'll be using in this project: deepgram, OpenAI, and ELEVENLABS. So deepgram is for text to voice conversion. I'll be using this particular package and API key. OpenAI, it is in ChatGPT. We can find the API key. So that thing, I integrated my Jarvis with ChatGPT. So that is the reason I use this particular key. And 11 labs is nothing but the voice. Okay, what voice to generate. Okay, so these are the 3 different API keys we need to use in this. So now the project is going to open. So this is the front end. Now I need to open the main.py. So right click on this, run main.py. I used taipy instead of Django. Yeah, this is my personal voice assistance using ChatGPT. Hi,
Good morning, Sreeranjan. How can I assist you today? Sreeranjan, can you schedule a meeting with the team for tomorrow? Jarvis, of course. Consider it done.
Okay, hi Jarvis, how are you today?
I'm feeling as functional as ever. What's up?
Okay, I'm going to give some questions to Jarvis. You can able to find out whether it can give answers to those particular questions or not. Okay.
Sure thing, fire away.
So whatever
Looks like you forgot to ask your questions, Sreeranjan. Need some help with that?
I'm going to ask questions, Jarvis. Just wait for 1 minute.
No worries, take your time.
So whatever I speak, it will be coming as a text. You can able to see that. And whatever Jarvis speaks, it will be coming output as text. You can see here. Yeah, first question goes here. Height of the Mount Everest.
Got it, I'll make sure to capture everything. What's your next question?
What is the height of the Mount Everest?
The height of Mount Everest is 29,032 feet, 8,848 meters.
Okay, next question. Who is Michael Jackson?
Michael Jackson was a famous American singer, songwriter, and dancer known as the King of Pop.
Who is Tom Cruise?
Tom Cruise is a popular American actor known for his roles in movies like Mission Impossible and Top Gun.
What is Devin?
Looks like you got cut off there, Sreeranjan. What's your next question?
When is Republic Day of India?
Republic Day in India is celebrated on January 26th every year.
What is AI?
AI, or artificial intelligence, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems.
Who is James Cameron?
I believe you might be referring to James Cameron, the famous filmmaker known for movies like Avatar and Titanic.
Tell me about Taj Mahal.
The Taj Mahal is a white marble mausoleum located in Agra, India, built by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal.
What is volcano?
Walton is a popular electronics brand in Bangladesh.
What is biology?
Biology is the study of living organisms and their interactions with each other and their environments.
What is generative AI?
Generated AI refers to artificial intelligence systems that can create or generate content, such as text, images, or music, on their own.
How many bones in human body?
There are 206 bones in the human body.
How aeroplane flies in air?
An airplane flies through the air due to the lift generated by its wings and the thrust provided by its engines.
What is machine learning?
I believe you mean machine learning, which is a subset of artificial intelligence that allows systems to learn from data and improve over time.
What is simple linear regression, Jarvis?
Simple linear regression is a statistical method used to model the relationship between a dependent variable and a single independent variable.
When is Easter?
Easter falls on a different date each year, usually between March 22nd and April 25th.
Who is the first Prime Minister of USA?
The first two presidents of the USA were George Washington and John Adams.
What is the multiplication of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1?
The multiplication of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the reverse order 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is 120.
So what is my name?
Your name is Sreeranjan.
Thank you, Jarvis. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Sreeranjan. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Okay, Jarvis. Thank you so much. So this is the way we can prepare our own personal assistants using ChatGPT. For any kind of help, any source code you need, let me know. I will help you how to do this. Okay. So thank you very much, Jarvis. Take care.
Glad I could help. Just let me know if you need assistance with anything else.
Yeah, no need, Jarvis. Just take care. Okay. Thank you very much. See you soon. Take care. Bye.